Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best AMF regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The AMF regulates the French financial marketplace, its participants, and the investment products distributed via the markets. It also ensures that investors are properly informed and is a driving force behind the regulatory change at both European and international levels. As an independent public authority, it has regulatory powers and a substantial level of financial and managerial independence. The organization takes financial stability objectives into account when performing their tasks. The AMF is also responsible for ensuring the quality of the information provided by management companies on their strategy for combating climate change. To carry out its tasks, the AMF is required to regulate, authorize, monitor, and where necessary, inspect, investigate, and enforce. The organizations contribute to financial and international regulation. Beginner traders should always consider finding themselves a fully regulated, reputable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best AMF regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. At number 4 on our list is FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker, which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. FBS offers users the option to trade on Forex, indices, stocks, metals, and energies. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, and ECN accounts, with swap-free options, demo accounts, floating and fixed spreads, low minimum deposits, and more. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overview videos, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into educational topics, from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with FBS. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Avatrade. At number 2 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker. Was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best AMF regulated Forex brokers, we have Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Xfinity Limited and is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own Beginner's Guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. And those are some of the top 5 best AMF regulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.